Hi, I'm Savannah Hodge. I'm the building consultant here in Albany, Georgia with America's Home Place. Today I wanted to touch base on a popular plan of ours that customers really love because it's economically priced and it has a lot of the features that more than half of our customers are looking for, and that's the Walton plan. There are a lot of different versions to this plan, but it's priced very well. It's a split bedroom floor plan, and it still has a good amount of square footage at almost 1,600 heated square feet. You can also add a 2-car garage onto it as well. It comes in 3 different versions, and you can do the split bedroom version or a 4-bedroom, and it's just a popular plan. So it's really just unbeatable for our clients that are looking for that type of plan. Once again, this is Savannah, the building consultant in Albany, Georgia with America's Home Place. I hope you come see me to build your dream home.